Hey Tech Motors family, this is the 2000 Toyota Hilux Surf. It comes with 110,275 original miles. It is powered by the reliable 3RZ FE 2.7 liter 4-cylinder gasoline engine with an automatic transmission. This vehicle is 4-wheel drive. It also comes with 4 doors and a rear hatch. We are going to go ahead and take a look at the interior of the vehicle. This vehicle does come in kilometers. The number that you're seeing right there, 177,472, that is the kilometers. The miles again is 110,275. We are going to go ahead and take a look at the frame of the vehicle. We will start at the driver's side. Hey Tech Motors family, thanks for tuning in. If you are looking for the best factory right-hand drive postal vehicles across the USA, you are in the right place. Drive into savings with Tech Motors LLC, your ultimate destination for reliable factory right-hand drive postal vehicles. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on your notifications so you never miss out on our latest videos and deals. Let's keep driving together. Also, for more information and pictures, please visit our website at techmotorspostalcars.com, or you can contact us at 423-716-2161. We'd be happy to answer any questions that y'all may have. Thank you so much for the continual support. We appreciate each and every one of you guys. It does mean the world to us. I do pray that y'all have a blessed and safe day.